are so busy in life, but only because we make ourselves busy. When was the last time you gave yourself a break? When was the last time you ever relaxed? Take the time for yourself and not to worry about anything else. We have 24 hours in a day. 8 hours sometimes can be 8 hours a day that you work, and you come home and take care of your kids and clean the house and do laundry and cook. But when is it a time that you ever just relax? Enjoy the nature that you have around yourself. Get out from the house and enjoy the scenery. Take in the fresh air. We're always inside, but we don't think about the fresh air, the natural air that we have around us. So try not to be busy. Because if you do, too busy, you might miss some of the most beautiful things in this world.